When we inhale and exhale, air pressure in the lungs changes, bringing air into the lungs and forcing air out of the lungs through the respiratory tract. The graph here shows the changes in air pressure in the lungs of a person during inhalation and exhalation. Let's see what we can interpret from this graph. From 0 seconds to 2 seconds, the air pressure in the lungs is lower than the atmospheric pressure. Thus, air is flowing into the lungs. Inhalation occurs during this time period. From 2 seconds to 4 seconds, the air pressure in the lungs is higher than the atmospheric pressure. Thus, air is flowing out of the lungs. Exhalation occurs during this time period. At 0, 2, and 4 seconds, the air pressure in the lungs is equal to the atmospheric pressure. There is no airflow into or out of the lungs. These are the time between inhalation or exhalation. This graph shows how the lung volume of the person changes in the 4-second period. At 2 seconds, inhalation ends and exhalation is about to begin. The lung volume at this time is the largest. At 0, or 4 seconds, exhalation ends and inhalation is about to begin. The lung volume at this time is the smallest.